Hemos cerrado. We have closed. We have closed. Hemos, we have, cerrado. Closed. We have closed. Hemos cerrado. Sucede cada semana. It happens each week. It happens each week. Sucede. It happens cada, each, semana. It happens each week. Sucede cada semana. It happens each week. Tuvimos un conflicto. We had a conflict. We had a conflict. Tuvimos. We had un conflicto. A conflict. We had a conflict. Tuvimos un conflicto. Divide estos. Divide these. Divide these. Divide. Divide. Estos. These. Divide estos. Divide these. Estaré en el pasillo. I will be in the hallway. I will be in the hallway. Estaré. I will be en el, in the, pasillo, hallway. I will be in the hallway. Estaré en el pasillo. I will be in the hallway. Tenemos algunos problemas. We have a few problems. We have a few problems. Tenemos. We have. Algunos. A few. Problemas. Problems. We have a few problems. Tenemos algunos problemas. We have a few problems. Fue mi culpa. It was my fault. It was my fault. Fue. It was. Mi culpa. My fault. Fue mi culpa. It was my fault. Tus manos están frías. Your hands are cold. Your hands are cold. Tus, your, manos, hands, están, are, frías, cold. Your hands are cold. Tus manos están frías. ¿Tienes la llave? You have the key? You have the key. Tienes. You have la, the, llave, key. You have the key. ¿Tienes la llave? You have the key. No necesitas uno. You don't need one. You don't need one. No necesitas. You don't need uno. One. You don't need one. El costo es alto. The cost is high. The cost is high. El costo. The cost. Es alto. Es high. El costo es alto. The cost is high. Debemos esperar una hora. We must wait an hour. We must wait an hour. Debemos. We must. Esperar. Wait. Una hora. An hour. We must wait an hour. Debemos esperar una hora. We must wait an hour. Nos despertamos tarde. We woke up late. We woke up late. Nos, we, despertamos, woke up, tarde, late. Nos despertamos tarde. We woke up late. Estos son viejos. These are old. These are old. Estos, these, son, are, viejos, old. These are old. Estos son viejos. Cometimos un error. We made a mistake. We made a mistake. Cometimos. We made un error. A mistake. Cometimos un error. We made a mistake. Iré al parque. I will go to the park. I will go to the park. Iré. I will go. Al. To the parque. Park. I will go to the park. Iré al parque. I will go to the park. Esto resolverá el problema. This will solve the problem. This will solve the problem. Esto, this, resolverá, will solve, el problema, the problem. This will solve the problem. Esto resolverá el problema. This will solve the problem. Este es mi tipo. This is my type. This is my type. Este es. This is mi tipo. My type. Podemos ir en mi coche. We can go in my car. We can go in my car. Podemos. We can. Ir. Go. En mi. In my. Coche. Car. We can go in my car. Podemos ir en mi coche. We can go in my car. Fue muy importante. It was very important. It was very important. Fue. It was. Muy. Very. Importante. Important. It was very important. Fue muy importante. Dame un abrazo. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Dame. Give me un abrazo. A hug. Give me a hug. Será mejor pronto. It will be better soon. It will be better soon. Será. It will be mejor. Better. Pronto. Soon. Será mejor pronto. It will be better soon. Quiero extenderlo. I want to extend it. I want to extend it. Quiero. I want. Extenderlo. To extend it. I want to extend it. Quiero extenderlo. ¿Qué haremos ahora? What will we do now? What will we do now? ¿Qué? What? Haremos. Will we do? Ahora. Now. ¿Qué haremos ahora? What will we do now?